So now that you've seen us play live, yeah, the comedy shows we call it. Now we're back to praying again. Hey, look, it's Jamie! Yeah.
Not happening.
Say hey, Brock.
Hey, Brock.
Bill Bates Jr.
Which we could probably do. I mean,
Yeah, so it's like-
obviously just simple. I mean, yeah, obviously layering and then a little bit of audio.
Right.
I mean, volume.
Yep.
Fucking with it a little bit.
I sound really good with just like a little bit of reverb.
All the reverb.
Yeah, just a subtle amount.
And just a little bit of delay.
Okay.
That's Hellbound Road.
Which was the first Blackstone Cherry song we just played.
Yeah.
I'm using this, so when you speak into it,
Yo.
so you sound like you're like on a radio show kind of thing.
Yeah,
so it's
yeah.
like, you know.
And you use that for that
Hellbound Road, yeah.
track? Okay. It gives it like that.
Like that old school telephone
old
effect.
school that would be.
But it distorts my voice. I sometimes use this like in other bands for like screaming. So I use this to like distort my screams, make it more intense.
Well, that is awesome.
Because I'm naturally like a metalcore singer by heart.
Okay.
It's like the Asking Alexandria, Bring the Horizon,
Dude,
that kind of stuff.
If we're here in free time, we'll just like thumb a track out like that.
Oh yeah, especially since you were talking about electronic tracks, dubsteppy breakdowns, but then bringing in like a drop A guitar kind of thing, and just like
That
me
shit-
screaming my ass off.
That would be super sick too. I'd be down.
I'm really big on Architects right now.
Howdy.
Howdy!
Here we go. Four's going right here. Just kidding. Cue ball on that side.
We might not be able to play music, but damn it, we can win some pool.
But if you go into something like this, actually there's right here.
Doctor,
I have actually.
the official drink of keeping drummers going.
So probably on the 5.
Where do you want to drop down to though?
Maybe probably 5.
Nope. Hey, play this. I gotta figure it out. Let's start now.
Actually, start on the 8 though.
Start on 8. Yep.
That's exactly what I'm looking for, right there.
Oh, you want it to open?
Ooh, we could do something like that too.
So do that, and do like we're doing like almost like the verses,
Yeah.
just like that.
We're starting the bridge. Oh,
Right,
okay.
so-
Yeah. All right. Yep.
Yeah, you're gonna start with that.
And how many times are we doing this? Twice?
Twice. 1, 2.
Yes!
Yes!
Fuck yes!
Oh! Shit!
That was cool, dude. That's him.
So I guess we just get drunk and watch our own music videos and
We're not
band
conceited. We are
practices.
not conceited.
Nipples feel like milk duds.
Funny, my milk does feel like nipples.
Hey,